Normally, I'm on beat when it comes to hot new tech, but I was completely unaware of the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro by Anker until they hit me up to see if I wanted to do a review. I've bought a lot of Anker products, from their cables, chargers, car chargers, power banks. So I'm very familiar with Anker, but I did not know they had Soundcore, which are making wireless earbuds. So I did a little Googling and found them, and I was like, oh, these are pretty, they look pretty dope. So I said, of course, let me check them out for myself and to see if the hype is real. So let's jump into this unboxing. All right, so these are the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro total wireless earphones with in-ear studio performance. This thing is packing a lot of tech, a lot of this where I don't know like what they are talking about, like the Astria coaxial acoustic architecture. I don't know what that is. It looks cool. It looks like it's a lot of tech. So, and it's recommended by 10 Grammy winning audio producers. This packs a lot in here. So we have the Hear ID. It got its own app. Can test your unique hearing profile. Has the equalizer. Has 32 hours of battery life, and that's with the charging case, but it comes with 8 hours of playtime. Also has wireless charging, Hear ID, personalize your sound, crystal clear calls. So it looks like it should also be good with phone calls, which I hope so, because this runs at about, I think, what, 150 this gonna cost you. But the packaging looks good so far, so let's open it up. No knife required. Okay. The unboxing experience looking good. So they're really pushing this Astria coaxial acoustic architecture. Don't know what it's talking about. Balance, amateur drivers, dynamic drivers. Yeah, but all right, let's look at the actual earbuds. And I really do like this packaging. Take this. Uh-oh, got a little tab. All right, looks like I am gonna need, wait. Okay. It's a little pull tab right there, so I'm not gonna need my knife. All right, that was pretty simple. Okay, let's pull out the case. The earbuds is not in the case. All right, let's pull this open. Oh, that's, cases feels pretty light, but I like the material. I like this, doesn't feel too cheap at all. Feels actually nice. All right, get out the way. All right, so look, I got some lights right here. What is this? Good, USB-C charging. It's a button right here, probably the pairing button. I really like the way the case opens. It's really easy for just one hand use. All right, let's look at the actual buds. So we got the buds right here, Soundcore, the logo on it. Little prongs for charging. Let me just put them inside the case. See how this goes. Drop them in there. Okay, boom. Okay. All right, so it got like little magnets in it, so you can see they don't fall out. All right. Look like I do have some juice. I can see the lights turning on, but I don't know how to connect them right now. Let's see what else we got in the box. Another little pull tab. Anything in here? You know, people like to hide things inside these little boxes, but nothing in here. All right, we got some books. Got any stickers? Got any stickers? You sound great. Okay, all good. Some more books. Some more books. All right, it comes with a cable, USB to USB-C. Shout out for Soundcore for doing USB-C and not micro USB. All right. Oh, what is this? How do I get you out? Okay, so you don't come out. All right, that's odd. So that doesn't come out, but what's in here is a ton of ear tips and wing tips. So I'm pretty sure you won't have a hard time finding a good fit. All right, just throw this back in here and try to connect these things. All right, so I got my OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition, and I think there's an app to download. All right, give me a second, connect this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so everything is set up now. Downloaded the app, connected it, and it was a firmware update available. I went ahead and updated the firmware, and it looks like it's good to go. So now this is what I've been waiting for to see does this actually sound any good? So I'm going ahead to pop them in to check the fit, to see if they sound good. I'll put it in the air. Okay. It actually fits really good. Snug. Doesn't feel like it's moving. Oh, it's locked in. Oh, these locked in. All right, so we passed that test. The fit test looked like it's in there. It's shaking, shake. All right, it's not moving. So let's play some music and see what it sounds like. What we got? What we want to play? Oh, popped up the baby. Blame it on baby. It already dropped, so I ain't haven't listened to this yet. So let me see what it's talking about. Hold on, let's turn this up. Let's turn this up a little bit. Oh, this has some bass. Hold on. These got some low ends in there. Let me play this a little more. Put it back in. I actually like the way it fits. Oh, these things thumping. It's nice and clear. Nice bass, mids. All right, these things sounds good. And I haven't even messed with the equalizer settings. Let me go back into the app. So there's a lot of EQ settings. Right now I have it on the default, the Soundcore signature, but it's a whole, like I didn't even turn on the bass boost. It's all kind of different equalizers. I'm just using the regular one that it came with. It was already a lot of bass, but let me turn on the bass boost and try this again and see if it sounds any different. It's actually a little confusing trying to figure out which ear is which. All right, throw this back on again. Holy sh! It's a lot of bass. This is probably the most bass I've had in any earbuds I use. I mean, I've used right now, I've been rocking with my Galaxy Buds Plus. I mean, I just love the look of these, but these sounds good, but they sound like any other earbuds. But this like almost sounds like some over-the-air headphones. Like how much bass it has on it. All right. This is let me go back to the standard settings. Okay, this is all right, let me try to make a phone call real quick to see how it sounds. Phone call test real quick. Hey, what you doing? How do I sound? Straight? It sounds like I'm talking to a headset? A little bit. Okay. But it doesn't sound like crazy or nothing, right? Sound clear? All right, cool. Test passed. Bye. Okay. Sound quality is good. On my end, it was really clear. And it seems like it was clear on the other end as well. So, I don't know. These, it's kind of, I think I'm sold on these. They might just replace my Galaxy Buds. Soundcore, Anker, I think you did it here. All right, so checking out the app some more. We have a lot of settings in here. So we got double tap the left side to go previous, the right side to go into the next track. Gotta hold it for voice assistant, or hold it for voice assistant, but we can also change this to volume up. So I probably would do, I'd rather have the volume up than the voice assistant. So I can hold this, hold left to go volume up. No, let's do hold left to go volume down, and then hold right to go volume. Also, it'll automatically change that for me. Let's see what else option we have with the double tap. So yeah, I think I'll stick with that. And that is our, so we got, okay, so this like two, so it's like a button on top. All right, so it's button is, okay, it just started playing. All right, stop. Okay, that's cool. So I just press it once, it plays and pause. It's nice and clicky too. So also have another button on here. So we got two buttons. Can you see it? All right, yeah, so we got a button right there on top. It's nice and clicky. Put it in and see. Matter of fact, let me try to see if it actually works with one earbud in the ear and the other one not. So I got my left one in now. Let me just see if I can just automatically play it from the button. Okay, yeah, it's automatically start playing. I'm gonna drop this one in here. This case is actually kind of confusing how to put this in. All right. Yeah, so the right one automatically start playing. Make sure this is not playing. Wait a minute. It's still playing even though it's inside the case. All right, now that I closed the case, it stopped playing. But while I was in the case, it was still playing. But the right one is still playing. But long as the case is open, so as soon as I open the case, okay, it's not playing. Wait a minute, it's playing. That's odd. It doesn't stop. It's actually still connected while it's in the case and doesn't disconnect until I close the case. But either way, the individual headphones are still playing no matter which one. This is weird. They're sitting in the case and playing right now. I don't know if you can hear it. Well, I don't know. I want to get flagged on my video. But yeah, they don't, they're still playing. It still takes a little second. So it actually disconnects completely once you close the case. So that's like a little software thing they might just need to update. And I don't know how it's connecting. Just regular Bluetooth. I don't know how the pairing is happening, but just throwing it into the case, it doesn't just stop automatically. So I don't know, but it's not a big deal, but just something to throw out there. Let's check on, okay. And I can't use the app until I actually open the headphones. So now open the headphones again. It takes a second to connect, not too long. Controller, all right, nothing else in here. So I did notice there isn't any like ambient sound settings. I mean, did I miss it or anything? Yeah, just equalizer and controls. This is ambient miles. There's no noise canceling, active noise canceling, but since it fits so snug, it pretty much blocks out all the noise, but there isn't like any real noise canceling going on or ambient sound. I do like the ambient sound, especially when something fit this snug, so I can kind of hear some of the outside noise when it's both are in, but not a huge deal, but it would have been nice if it was there. Got a couple presets in here. Also make a custom preset. He wants me to log in. I don't care to log in, so I'm not gonna do that now, but oh, you don't have to log in. I kind of could play with it. The app is pretty nice. I like the standard settings, the default, and the bass boost. I mean, so far, I like that. I don't know, these look like a win. These look like a win. It might just be my go-to headphones. My last test would be to kind of like work out with them, but can't get a real gym workout in there. But I mean, I could try to play with them around like my house workouts. You know, this whole quarantine thing going on. Can't get my full test in, but so far, these things are beast. This is the best sounding earbuds I have used so far, and this is way better than the AirPod Pros. It's definitely better than the AirPod 2s, 1, whatever you want to call them. And it's edging out my Galaxy Buds, which I use every day. I like these. Okay, that's it. That was another Joe Tech Talk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit that like button. Subscribe if you really like my video. And I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.